before we jump into the video, guys, want to do one favor for me. Want to go over to Jody Wall. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Tell her I say I'm me sending you, Team Shawna sending you. So go over to our YouTube channel. See it here. Subscribe to her. Tell her I say I'm me sending you. And leave a positive comment on our video, guys. Leave one like on all our video them. Our link gonna be down in the description, guys. So you can just click the link and you find our channel. So go over and subscribe. Tell her I say I'm me sending you. So let's just jump straight into the video. Yeah, guys, so me say when I say me do I rated my subscribers best outfit, and that was part one because me get some whole heap of picture. I could put everything in one video, so that did a part one. So this is a part two. I'm still not get to put everybody picture in there, but for picture not get go in another video here, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I'm not gonna make a next video about this because we don't want to keep on a bit that a one whole heap of video about the one thing, if you don't know what I mean. But if the picture never get to go in another video, then my apology, guys. Just know say you're 10 out of 10 if you know you look good. But anyways, let's just jump straight into that video here. So we're gonna rate it from 1 to 10. 10 being the highest, 1 mean that baby girl, you gotta, you know, fix up yourself, come up with it. So remember, guys, it's a half fun and game. Don't take nothing personal. Even though it's kind of personal, but it's not really personal, but it's just kind of personal. But it's not really personal because of my opinion. And if you know on yourself, you know what kind of picture I want to say now, you know if you look good or not. But anyways, yeah, so let's just jump straight into the video. So, but before we jump into the video, guys, smash the subscribe button if you're new. If you are watching me and never subscribe button at the red button right over here. So just smash it and make sure you hit the post notification bell, so every time I post a video you can be the first to be notified and you can be the first to comment. And the next thing, guys, I'm gonna start pin the best comment what me say. The best first comment, if that makes sense. The best first comment. So when I say the best first comment, like you have to comment your favorite part of the video. Well, that may say yeah. Not saying that I'm first or whatever. You can say you're first and you can get a like, but the best first comment what me say, go and get the pin. You're gonna stay pin forever. Everybody who go comment, I gonna see your comment first. So yeah, guys, let's just do that. I don't dirty folder, man. Let's just do that real quick. So the first person is, hold on, I'm turning up that light here because I can't really see. I am Shanti. I am Shanti on Instagram. When I go see them picture right here, so she have on one nice little jeans pants with rip. Alright, oh, and the next thing, guys, the first video when I do, I some could do on the face. Everybody did I say why I need to see face if for the outfit me I rate. So I think that your face help bring off your outfit. That's why I say I need to see face. But anyways, most pictures them are without face. So I can just rate from neck go down. You know, from neck go down. But who show them face, then we get that. When you have a face, you get more points. But anyways, from neck go down. So she name I am Shanti on the gram. She have a one nice little jeans pants, one black rip up shirt. Can't see her face. And her ear catch up neat like she a coolie or something. She have a one nice little sneakers. So right there, so would I wear where you have on, girl? I'm not telling a lie. Would I wear? You get 1/8. You look nice. You look neat. You get 1/8. The next girl, no, she come out in her filler. Everybody knows I love filler. She come out in her filler. She have a nice little jeans jumper. What is dress skirt? Jeans jumper. She have one spaghetti white blouse underneath it. And if you never see my first video, I'm saying a long sleeve would have bring off your look more. Because I just feel like when you have on the jumper them, you have to have on a long white sleeve underneath it. So if you did have on a long sleeve, that would have bring it out more. So you get a 7. You look neat though, but you get a 7. You call for her name? Oh, she name guys, as I say, my other can't see them because the light out the phone in my eye. So what her name? Jordan Walker 876. If I'm not pronouncing the name good, nobody cuss me off, please. So then the next person name Twins 8592 on the gram. I wonder if I'm a twin or not because his name Twins. So anyways, he have one white pants, one blue shirt, one clocks, I think. I run a clocks. Ah, Jesus, I run a clocks. As me say, I can't see good enough because the light in my eye. This are not Clarks. Or a Clarks. A Clarks you have on, friend? Of course a Clarks the boy have on and me a bright myself. I want Clarks you have on though. Well, me I talk to him like he can't hear me. You know where you have on, but the shoes neat. Me can't see it good. Your shoes neat, you have on one chain around your neck. Yeah, you dress simple, you neat. You dress simple. You're not too bad. You get 1.7. You get 1.7. Now, the next person, Claudia Miller. Claudia Miller now. Claudia Miller like should I? Foreign are the goods. You like it foreign. I don't know, but you like it foreign. The background look like it foreign. Even one night, you come out in a nice human ear, because we can tell say human ear have you look good. Come out in a human ear, you full black. What is double G? You bag of Gucci. She look nice. She look nice. She look nice. You look nice. You come right home. I give you 1.8. You look nice. I like it. The next person now. Stan Slay. Stan_Slay on the gram. This is our graduation dress. She have a nice pink dress. Her ear braid go back. Alpha cut pink dress something. And our color shoes. No, me like the shoes. I like the dress, you know, but I don't really like the dress to that. Remember, nobody take it personal, please, man. You know. I don't really like the dress to that. Reason being because the bottom of the dress, like it fall on like the pumpkin dress them or something like that. I said in here, pumpkin dress. I don't really like the bottom part of the dress, but I love your shoes though. I like your shoes. And the fact that you're a graduate girl, you done it. Big up yourself. That's what you say? That's what you say? I don't remember, but I don't know which that would that be a talk up on TikTok. Anyways. Why am I straight? Anyways, so I'm gonna give 1.6. I give 1.6. Because I don't like your dress. But your shoes look nice though. I give 1.6. The next person is I Am Candy. Candy have the emoji all over her face. I don't know why they not like show them face. But she have one 2-piece. Or 2-piece suit, one skirt and one blouse. This look nice. This look neat. The picture in the black and white, so you kind of take away from the picture. But the picture in the black and white, so you take away from the picture. But I like it. I like your suit still. And I like your shoes. I like your shoes. I can't really tell what kind of shoes you have because I hardly can see it good. But I get 1.7. I get 1.7. Poppy 6. Poppy 6 look young. Poppy 6 you look young. But anyways, I know that we're talking about your clothes. So you look neat. You look neat. I like your ripped jeans. I don't get 1.8. But I get 1.8. I like your ripped jeans. You look neat. Tamika. She named Tamika. And Tamar. Or Tamar. Tamika Tamar. Tamika Tamar. One of the two of them. If I call it wrong, sorry. She have green in her ear. Now everybody know. Everybody know. Well, green usually be my favorite color. You know my favorite color no more red, but I still kind of like it. She have green braid. That look neat right away. She look neat. She have one suit. Or this one tight suit. I like her. I like her. She have one nice good shoes. Sneakers shoes. She look neat. But I get 1.8. You get 1.8, you look neat. Yeah man, she look neat. Next person named Little Dark Didi. Little Dark Didi. Alright, so you bend down in the picture. And I not really see the clothes good. Because I just see your back and your face. But you're small and your teeth them white. So baby girl, you look neat. Your teeth them white, so that look good. And for the clothes now, I can't really rate it like that because I not see good. I not see good. So I give 1.5 because I not see clothes good. The next girl, she names Shenzia. Shenzia. Shenzia, she look good now. She come out in her nice like pink half of like them jeans, you know them jeans jacket there will come off up here so. She look nice. She have a nice braid. She has smile and her teeth white. Her teeth white. So you can't smile with your yellow teeth. Her teeth white and she look nice. I like her bag. Good to come out. Good to come right out. She look nice. When I get 110, you get a 10. 10 out of 10 out of 10. You get 110. You look good. You look good. Next girl now. Dana. Dana look neat. Dana, you show up legs. You think you're at Dana? You think you're at your show up legs. Your mother no say come out of the house looking like that? Oh, sorry. Forgot to say I rape me, I rape. Why me I make? Oh, sorry. I just feel like you're your big sister. No, I want to be. Anyways, cat come out. Come out! I'm gonna eat lizards. Then I come out in our shorts and I look half a blouse. If your neighbor did bored, I bring off a look more. Well, I how much? Because I don't want your influence enough for the bad things, you know. But anyway, so when you did bore you, I bring off a look more. But other than that, you get a 8. You get a 8. Because you look neat. You get a 8. Ice King TV. Ice King come out in a nice go Jesus chain, in cross chain. And him have one white tees. Your white shirt look white and not yellow or cream, so that good. That good. You have up your foot pan people them why like it help them paint, but we not care, so we do things. We cock up anyway. Oh, what ya man? We put your foot. You put your foot anyway. You put your foot anyway, yeah. You know, you have one Clarks. I can tell say Clarks this guy I can see it good. So that means that the first boy did have one Clarks there. Yeah. Your shoes neat. You look like you do like a smile but you stop so your face can look like this. But other than that, you're not ugly, you're not bad looking. If you did smile more, you'd have win me. You're not bad looking at all, so you can't get one step, you're not bad looking. Next girl, she named Princess on the gram. Princess have one nice little what is tracksuit, Adidas. She have an Adidas suit and Adidas shoes. Now you know, so she real match out. She look like she that foreign. Princess look like she that foreign. A foreign this princess? I don't know, but I feel like if I take a certain picture, certain place, it just look like you're there foreign. So I don't know, but princess you look nice. You look nice. You get 1 8. You look good. Stacey Ann now. Stacey Ann. Stacey Ann look like somebody's wife. You know, she just have a little wife look there. She like somebody's wife. Stacey Ann show up her nice tattoo. She has smile again and her teeth white. So, and she have a white nails that look good. She have a nice little when them use your name with the bottom of glass or see-through. She have one of that already. She look neat. She dress simple but she look nice. Simple nice, you know? She look nice. She dress good. You get 1 8, Stacey Ann. You get 1 8, I like that. CJ Brown, what make you go on so? What make you go on so? CJ, you get 110. You get 110. CJ, you get 110. Remember, guys, unnecessary thing. If nothing have to explain nothing. Look at the boy Chrome. I don't know him. I don't know him. First me I see him picture. But the boy look good. The boy look real good. They look good. Or the man. The man look good. Look on him white. CJ look nice. 10 out of 10 CJ look nice. Your white. Your gold watch, I don't know if you real or fake, but you nice. You're nice. You look real. But you must really dress up so nice. I can't wear fake watch and dress so nice. You look good, CJ. I don't have much to say about you. You look good. That's a 10. You look nice. Sashi lips. Next person has Sashi lips on the gram. Sashi sent me 2 pictures. She sent me one in a white dress and one in a black. I'm gonna rate the black because the black look like she did dress up like she go on party or something. And it look nice. Me would have wear this to go on party, girl. They look nice. You look nice. But I get 1 8. I'm like your ear. I like the color ear. You look good, girl. But I get 1 8. Not tell no like you deserve a ear right. So you look neat. The next person named Tonian. Different from the first girl what would he do? It's a different girl. She named Tonya. She have one purple ear. Or the light make it purple. Or the light make it purple? Or purple ear this? I don't know. I'm colorblind sometimes, but anyways, our wig look nice. Our edge is well laid. She have on one nice little white skirt, white blouse. She look good. And she have on one Air Force. And she have on one sock. She look good. She have on one of them uppers Air Force there. She look neat. She look neat. You get 1.9, you look good. And she a drink. Go to a party and buy her own liquor. I don't know. But she a drink. She look nice. Her teeth white. She a smile. She have one nice little chain too. You get 1.9 goods. You get 1.9 Tony. Yeah, the 9. The next girl is Shorty Dolly. Dolly. Shorty Dolly come out in her MK. She colorful they do. She colorful. You shake her up in nice Skittles. She look nice. She look nice. She look like one I'm look a sister them. She look nice. Like she could have been one I'm look a sister them. You get 1.6. You get 1.6. Jordan Thomas Ellis. That's her name. I'm married good eh? Or prom you go? I don't know if I'm married dress this or a prom dress. I should have asked her when she sent me the picture, you know. I don't know if I'm married dress or a prom dress, but it look nice. If I did stand up, I could have said the dress better, but you look nice. I have one nice like a crown. I'm a birthday dress. You look nice. I get 1.8. I can't see the it good. But you get 1.8. Next girl named Boo3607. Boo36, she have on one the skirt jumper them. I want pink blouse. No, everybody when me see a skirt jumper, I go tell them say one long sleeve would look good with it. Whatever you want white long sleeve or one pink long sleeve, because you have one pink blouse. A long sleeve would bring it off a little more. And a sneakers would bring it off. You have one Crocs, but no Crocs would I wear at the time, but the sneakers would bring it off a little more. You're not bad. So you get 1.7. Sneakers would bring it off a little more. The next person named Akeem. I can't see him rest of his name, but his name Akeem. Him have one white too. What is? Him have one white. Okay. I not see the picture good. Because the flash, but I can't see from yesterday go down. Elvis. Him have one of them Elvis shirt there. Yeah. How much I give you, Akeem? Because I not see your foot good. Like a half a picture you take or something. I can't see you good. Can't see your face. Oh, and a face me I read. This, you're just simple. You're just simple and you neat. You're simple and you neat. But I get 1.7. Because I not really see good. So there's not much to do for judge. Because I can't really see it good. So you get 1.7. Next person, Camille. Camille. Where me get Camille from? Oh my gosh. Them people are gonna bash me. Camille. That's your name? Camille _ fashion. Camille now. Camille. The children in it are heavy. My blouse and skirt. How much children in the neck? Them real? They look nice though. Chucky. You know some of the younger people usually call me Chucky? I know me see it in that shirt, you like just I bring back memories. People usually call me Chucky for children because them did some ugly. So I usually believe, you know. I usually believe because them time I guess me don't have low self-esteem. So when them call me Chucky, me usually back. Because Chucky ugly, you know. Better them they call me him bride. Because him bride not really ugly like him. But them call me Chucky and me did really cry. Because me did really feel that way. Because me did feel like me feel like Chucky in a real life. I know me I see him shirt, me bring back memories. Lord Jesus. I can just rate for your pants go down. Your shoes and your shirt match because you have on the same color business. I rate for your pants go down. You look neat. I get 1.8. I'm up and skip past. Okay, your shirt I bring back too much memories. You look neat. 1.8 you get. Whew, oh my god. I just have a flashback a while ago. I'm gonna drink some water. The next person. Davy. I don't know how them call him name. I don't want to say it wrong. Davy? I don't know, but Davy. First of all, would I wear your dress? Would I wear your dress? Your dress look nice. Would I wear your dress? And your ear look nice too. You get 1/8. You look good. You're just simple and you neat. Simple does it sometimes. You get 1/8. Oh gosh. Kamaya, that's her name. Kamaya. That's your name? I guess I Kimaya. Kimaya now. Kimaya have one nice blue dress. She has show a little cleavage. And I see right here so open. She has show a little cleavage. She have some hip on the other side, yeah. She not too bad at all. And she has smile again and her teeth white. You look nice. You get 1/8 too. You're simple and you need to get 1/8. Next person. Life of Vinny. No. Vinny get one professional photo cameraman. You know that you my uncle with me chat foolish. Photo cameraman. Then that makes sense. Something wrong with me now? I'm seriously convinced there's something wrong with me. You see, when I'm there home by myself, because I'm there home by myself, when I'm there home by myself, I get paranoid. So I start do all sort of foolish and I start chat all sort of foolish. Something wrong with me. She get one photo shoot man. That is the word. She get one photo shoot man and she take her nice little picture. She a smile like, well, first of all, who do your makeup? You look good. Your makeup on point, okay? Your makeup alone get 10. Anyways, your makeup look good, girl. I'm like your red dress. Red my favorite color. Your red dress look nice. Your ear just lie down and sing. You look good, girl. That's a 10. That's a 10 out of 10 out of 10. You look good. That's a 10. Right away, that's a 10. Villain official. Violent official. Me I call him 2 ways. So anyway, the right way. So, yeah. So it can be violent official or villain official. Villain, you look good. Right away, you look good. 10 that. Before me even start describe the picture, that's a 10. You have on your full white. That's a 10. That's a 10. I'm not even have to go in depth. This a 10. You need. Ooh, you need. Damn, you can dress. You look real nice. Real nice. I'm not ask you. You look good. The next person is the official Brittany now. I can't. Alright, you see? None of them filter you use or what, but it don't really show the picture as bright as more want to see it. But the fact that you feel yourself based on how you pose, you're feeling yourself. Like literally feeling yourself. You get 1/6. Because I can't, let me tell you, good picture do it. Good picture. Good picture. So I have to be able to can see it good for giving an honest opinion. You get 1/6. Next person now, Princess Diana. Princess Diana have her suitcase. She look good. She have one white top for match her white shoes. She just simple and she neat and her braids look nice. She look good. You get 1/8. You look nice. You get 1/8. Last but not least, K shirt. Oh my gosh. I could just call it K. Your name long. K look like she have this. I stay there with the goods. Yeah man, I stay there with it. Yeah, they want to stay there. This look like one cheerleading outfit. One cheerleading outfit though. It look nice. It's simple though. Them should have at least spice it up a little more. Like give one little cutting at the side. I want to cut here, so I want a little V-neck something come down. Them should have do that. You get 1/7. I know your fault at the outfit. Your cheerleading squad. Make them make you get 1/7. But other than that, you look neat though. You look neat. Your body neat and something. So yeah, you look neat. Yeah guys, as you know, basically that's at the end of the video. Basically did a rush treat because I whole heap of picture. somebody that rush through it, and as I say, I just rate it now based on how me feel. I know nothing personal, not have to take it personal, and nobody cuss me out. I'm just rating it based on what me say. So if you don't like the video, guys, smash the subscribe button like I said before. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2S. Link will be down in the description, guys. And also only can text me my Instagram and suggest some video. When I want to see, I'm not gonna do it. So thanks for watching again, and thank you to everybody who participate in it, both on part 1 and part 2. Thanks to Una, so that shows you not only really I watch me, really I support me and things like that. I really actually appreciate it once again. So thank you for watching. So peace out.